Something that we're very, very proud of here, both on our Jeep side and our Chrysler side, is you'll be doing your paperwork here to take delivery of the car, and then come through the doors and your car will be nice and warm and ready for you to take delivery. There'll be no standing outside or getting outside to get in the car, but the salesperson will then do you a walk around and show you how to work these new cars.
I just purchased this Jeep Grand Cherokee from J.R. Amato and I couldn't be happier. It's perfect!